12. Hello, my beautiful learners. Welcome back to Queen Sanaz's channel, your go-to place for mastering English with confidence and style. I'm so happy to have you here today. Whether you're sipping tea, taking notes, or just chilling with your headphones on, you're in the right place. In today's session, we're going to explore Lesson 12 of the 504 Absolutely Essential Words, a powerful set of vocabulary that will level up your English fluency, especially for exams, conversations, and writing. But we are not just going to memorize meanings. Oh no, we'll go deeper. For each word, I'll give you the definition, a clear example sentence, synonyms to expand your vocabulary, and antonyms to help you understand the word from both sides. So, grab your notebook, open your mind, and let's dive into the world of words together. Ready? Let's begin! Lesson 12. Vocabulary. 1. Ignite. To set on fire or cause to burn. Kindle, spark, inflame. Extinguish, douse, quench. The match ignited the drive, leaves instantly. 2. Abolish. To officially end or stop something. Eliminate. Annual. Terminate. Establish. Enact. Institute. The government abolished the outdated law. 3. Urban. Related to cities or towns. Metropolitan. Civic. Municipal. Rural. Countryside. Pastoral. Urban areas often have better access to health care. 4. Population. The number of people living in a place. Inhabitants. Residents. Citizens. Emptiness. Vacancy. Be certain. The population of the city has doubled in 10 years. 5. Frank. Honest and direct in a speech. Candid. Straightforward. Sincere. Evasive. Dishonest. Secretive. She gave a frank answer to the tough question. 6. Pollute. To make dirty or harmful. Contaminate. Defile. Poison. Purify. Cleanse. Sanitize. Factories that pollute the river must be regulated. 7. Reveal. To make known or show something. Disclose, expose, uncover, conceal, hide, suppress. The magician revealed the secret behind the trick. 8. Prohibit. To forbid or prevent. Ban. Forbid. Outlaw. Allow. Permit. Authorize. Smoking is prohibited in this building. 9. Requiring immediate attention. Pressing. Critical. Vital. Trivial. Minor. Non-essential. The patient needed urgent medical care. 10. Adequate. Enough or satisfactory. Sufficient. Acceptable. Ample. Inadequate. Insufficient. Lacking. The food supply was adequate for the entire group. 11. Decrease. To become less or reduce. Reduce. Lessen. Diminish. Increase. Grow. Expand. The company's profits decreased last quarter. 12. Audible. Able to be heard. Hearable. Perceptible. Clear. Inaudible. Silent. Muffled. Her voice was barely audible over the noise. Lesson 12, Reading. The city that changed everything. In the heart of a bustling urban landscape, a young journalist named Leila was determined to reveal the truth behind the city's growing pollution crisis. The population had surged in recent years, and with it came traffic, factories, and noise. The once clear skies were now gray, and the river that ran through the city had become heavily polluted. Layla's mission was urgent. She had received a tip from a French city official who had secretly shared documents showing that several companies were illegally dumping waste. The official's honesty was rare in a world where most people chose to conceal the truth. Determined to make a difference, Layla published her findings. The story ignited a wave of protests and public outrage. Citizens demanded change. They wanted the government to abolish outdated laws that allowed corporations to operate without environmental oversight. Soon, new policies were introduced to prohibit harmful practices. Factories were forced to clean up their operations, and the river slowly began to heal. Layla's work had sparked a movement, but not everyone was satisfied. Some argued that the changes weren't adequate. They wanted stricter rules and better enforcement. Others feared the economic impact and called for a decrease in regulations. Despite the debate, one thing was clear. Layla's voice had been audible, and her courage had transformed the city. She had shown that even in a crowded, chaotic world, one person's determination could ignite hope and abolish injustice. That wraps up our journey through Lesson 12 of the 504 Absolutely Essential Words. Today, we didn't just learn vocabulary, we explored how words like abolish, ignite, and urgent shape the way we express ideas, solve problems, and connect with others. Language is power. Every new word you learn gives you a sharper tool to think, speak, and write with clarity. So, don't stop here. Review the words, use them in your daily life, and challenge yourself to go deeper. The more you practice, the more natural these words will become. Thank you for spending your time learning with me. Your dedication inspires me, and I'm proud of the progress you're making. Keep going, keep growing, and keep believing in your ability to master English. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to keep growing your English skills with me, don't forget to subscribe to Queen Sanaz's channel. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends who are learning English too. Your support helps this community grow and keeps the lessons coming. Thank you for being here. Thank you for learning and thank you for believing in yourself. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and keep shining.